The multiplication. How to do it? What is a multiplication? Multiplication is the mathematical operation that consists of finding the result of adding a number as many times as another indicates. Often denoted by symbol times to represent it and can be written in a line or column. The parts of a multiplication are as follows. The symbol times, which is placed to the left of the column of numbers to multiply. Each of the numbers is known as factors. The total is known as product. How to do a multiplication. The first step is to write the numbers in an orderly manner in column form, placing the number with the most digits above, and the number with less digits below. Both must be written from right to left, no matter if there are empty spaces left on the left side of the number below. You also have to write the symbol times, and the line for the result. Then we will proceed to multiply only the first column on the right. The result of multiplication is written below the line. Then proceed to multiply the same number below with the number of the next column and the result is placed in the next column below the line. The same process is performed for the next number, however, in this case the result is 2 digits, so the digit on the right is written below the result line and the digit on the left is written as carry for the next number to multiply. When multiplying the last number, you should remember to sum the amount of carry that was written on top of this number and then the result is written in the next column below the line. This process is repeated with the next number below, and the result will be written directly below this digit, leaving an empty space on the right side. Like the previous case, it will be multiplied by each digit of the number above, and if the result is greater than 9, only the digit on the right will be entered while the left digit is passed as carry to the next column. Then, when you multiply the last number, you have to remember to add the amount of carry that is above to get the result. Having both multiplication lines complete, it is necessary in addition to obtain the final product of multiplication. When making the sum you have to respect the blanks and consider them as zeros. Once the sum is finished, the total of the multiplication will be taken. How to do a multiplication with decimal point. The first step is to sort the numbers by columns. No matter where the decimal point is located, both numbers will be written from right to left, placing the number with the most digits up and the one with the fewest digits below. You start by considering the first digit to the right of the number below, remembering to write the multiplication result below the line. Once the multiplication of the first column above is passed to the next column, taking care to type only the digit on the right below the result line and placing the digit on the left as carry for the next number to be multiplied. Once you have the carry ready, the next multiplication is made, and you add the amount of carry written above. The same goes for the next two columns, where the respective carry is obtained and added after multiplication. Continuing, the next number is considered and multiplied with the next digit above, always maintaining a white space to the right. Then the next number is followed, from which a carry is obtained, because the result of the multiplication is greater than 9. Having written the carry in the next column, the next multiplication is performed, and the carry is added. Because the result is 2 digits, the right is written in the result and the left is placed as carry for the next column. The next multiplication is made and the number written above is added. This same process is done with the number in the last column in which you also have a carry. Finally, the remaining digit of the number below is taken and this whole process is repeated. This number is multiplied by each digit of the number above. If the multiplication result is greater than 9, only the digit on the right is written as a result and the digit on the left is placed as carry for the next column. Just in case we reach the final column, both numbers are written. Once we have the three products, it is necessary to add them. For that purpose we write the plus symbol and line for addition. Remember to consider the empty spaces as zeros to do the sum. With the result of this addition, it is required to count the quantity of digits to the right of the decimal point among both factors. In this case there are 3 numbers, so we look at the final product, count 3 from right to left and write the decimal point after the third digit. A characteristic of the multiplication is that regardless of the order of the factors, the operation will always give the same result. This is known as commutative property. Another feature is that we can first multiply two numbers and then multiply the third, and still you will get the same result. That is, the order in which the multiplication is carried out may vary but the result will remain the same. This is the associative property. Finally, we will proceed to show an exercise to apply what we have learned. It will be given 5 seconds to pause the video and solve the exercise. After you have sorted the numbers into columns, placing the multiplication symbol, the result line, and multiplying column by column, the product obtained from the final sum is as follows. Thank you for the attention.